No.
No, I've heard this is my friend Beck. He's here for the shower too.
Yeah, hi everyone.
What? Oh boy, at a baby shower? Oh my god. I have never heard of such a thing. That is so funny / sad.
Hey, is there some place I can put this present?
Oh, would you get instead of a onesie like a basketball? Okay, you can put it there. These are my friends, Taylor and Patrice. But if you forget their names and call them Mark and Bob or whatever basic names your friends have, that's fine, I guess.
Hi. Wow, good luck. Boys don't know anything about baby showers.
Yeah, I'm sorry, this isn't a fantasy football meeting.
Yeah, well, I mean, I've never been to a baby shower before, but I'm sure the food, at least, will be better than these stale nachos Frank makes at fantasy football night, you know.
Ew, Beck. There will be no nachos here.
No, I was...
This is a nice baby shower.
Like, nothing will be stale. Everything is going to be, like, fresh and clean.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah. I was saying I'm happy that it's not stale.
Okay. Oh my god, okay, the first course is here. Cinnamon monkey bread to go with our mommy mimosas.
Oh my god. Yeah, good luck, Beck. Sorry, nothing hearty to eat.
Oh no! Oh wait, waiter. For our male guest, can we order a side of raw bacon?
Oh my god.
I mean, is that what you want?
No.
Okay, for our first game, let's play guess how many M&Ms are in the jar.
Oh yeah, love guessing games.
Good luck, back. This isn't a poker match at your fight club.
I'm sorry, I'm getting a little competitive when it comes to guessing M&Ms.
100,000.
50 million!
Well, Beck wins because she's the closest.
Oh, nice.
Wait, how did you do that?
He probably cheated. All men are cheaters.
No, I didn't cheat. I counted 10 at the bottom, and then I worked my way up. And...
Beck! This is a nice place.
Yeah,
I would like to make a toast, if I may.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Dawn and I have been besties since our first year at Tri-Dells.
Beck, for you, that means they've been chill AF since college Cub Scouts.
I have to say that it has been such a trash blessing to see you start your own sweet family. I love you, Donna. Sisters for life.
Yeah, I'll go next. You have always been there for me.
Beck, for you, that means she's been like his spotter at the gym, helping him lift the weights of life.
And I vow to always be there for your family, like you've always been there for me.
I'd actually like to make a toast.
Oh, wow! I was just gonna... Good luck! But this isn't a town hall at your bait and tackle shop, Beck.
My dear friend Dawn, may your child be as beautiful and lovely and full of heart as you are. I have no doubt that you're going to be a fantastic mother.
That was actually really sweet. Yeah.
Oh, here, my cousin.
Oh,
Yes.
That was crazy.
Thank you.
Beck? Is this a whoopee cushion?
And now we're laughing.
Oh my god!